Hello, my name is Rituja Veera, and today, as we finish the 21st century teaching techniques, it was a great experience out here with our trainer, Megha. Thank you so much. And also, it was a very informative session. We met a lot of new people, a lot of sharing was done with their experiences. We also learned with everybody's experience out here. So, altogether, it was a very good, informative, eventful, fun session. Got to meet new people, got to network a lot. So altogether, it was a good. It was a very good experience, and thank you so much for this experience.
If you like the video, please subscribe our channel. Press the bell icon to get the notification for a new video.